Hi, this is Eric Stromquist with Stromquist & Company, and we've come up with a concept we think you're really going to like. How many times have you been in your boiler room and your boiler goes down and you have to order a boiler part and you can't find the right part number? Or worse still, you order a part in and you ordered it with the wrong part number. And now you got a bad situation that's got even worse because you've got the wrong part number. So what Stromquist & Company has done is we've come up with a program we call our Boiler Vision program. And here's how it works. What we'll basically do for a very small fee is we'll come in and we will survey your boiler. We'll take pictures of all the control parts on your boilers that we can work with you with. And at the same time, we'll gather all the part numbers. So what will happen is you'll come up with something that looks like this. It'll be a web-based sort of system, so you'll log in, you'll see a picture of your boiler, and you'll have the boiler information as we have here, the York Shipley, the model number. We'll have the size of the boiler, and we'll have the ratings on the boiler, so that'll always be there for you. Now you'll notice on the left-hand side I have a menu that says front view, right view, left view, and top view. So if I click on the front view, you'll notice that what pops up here is the scanner, ignition transformer, pilot solenoids, control links, air solenoid, and pilot gas valve. Now this will be different for every boiler because we'll customize this to your boiler. But the interesting thing about this is this lets me know that everything that's viewable from the front. But I can either double click on this, for instance, the scanner, and what it's going to tell me is that I'm using a C7027A 1049 Honeywell UV scanner. Or if I go back, I can just click on any of these parts and it'll tell me what it is. So let's just hypothetically say this particular actuator is giving me trouble and I need to replace it. I can just double click on that. And what happens is you'll see it's a control links valve, and if I come down here you'll see it's an ML7999A 2001. And what's really cool about this, you'll see that you have the installation PDF right here and you have the control links information PDF right here. And this will be with you forever. So if I need to know how to install the new actuator, I don't have to worry about pulling the paperwork out of the box. I can just double click on this, and here's my installation PDF right here with all the information I need. Okay, so if we come back, let's go over here and let's look at, for instance, let's go to the right view. And if we look at the right view, we'll see we have our flame safeguard system right here. And I can double click on this. And you'll see that I have my flame safeguard control here, which is an RM7800L 1012. I have an expanded annunciator right here. Here's my sub base, my UV amplifier, my purge timer, and my keyboard display. Okay, so up to now it's just kind of cool, but here's where it gets really, really cool. So let's just say that my RM7800L 1012 has gone down and I need to replace it. I just double click it, and voila, I'm now at the Stromquist & Company ordering website. And you'll see I have 4 of these in stock. I enter my quantity here, I add to cart, just put my purchase order in, and it's ordered. Simple as that. So again, coming through here, if I go to my left view, you'll see that I've got the blowdown valves, the gas regulator, liquid level control, gas pressure switch, and the gas pressure regulator. So if I come in here and click on the gas valves, you'll see that I'm using an ASCO fast opening actuator. It's got the proof of closure switch in it. It's got and the second one is a 2-inch ASCO valve body with the proof of closure switch in it. And again, just double clicking on these takes me to the ordering website, and we can see we got 9 of these in stock and ready to go. Let's take a look at the top view of the boiler now. And on the top view of the boiler, you'll see we have our tree with our different pressure switches and my McDonald Miller low water cutoff. Again, I can either click on the items here, or I can just actually click on the device itself. And so now you can see we've got our McDonald Miller low water cutoff. And over here, you'll see we even got our sight glass right here. This is an item a lot of time breaks down, and getting the right part numbers can be a bit tricky. But if I double click on it, you'll notice that here's a picture of the sight glass. It's on that boiler. I can actually order this thing with, here's the complete assembly number here, but here's something else that's really, really cool. Let's just say I want to repair that. Well, if I come down here, here are my repair parts. So I have the standard rubber washer, the brass washer, and if I come down here, here's actually the sight glass itself. No trying to figure out what the length is or the right part of it. It's right here, and as you can see, we have these in stock ready to go. And again, you enter the quantity, you hit add to cart, enter your purchase order, and you're out the door. So The Boiler Vision program is about getting a boiler, your customized boiler, so you're actually looking at a visual image of your boiler with your parts. And as part of the program, what we'll do is we know what your usage rate is, we know what you're using. We'll guarantee we have those parts in stock. And what I mean by a guarantee, have you ever called a vendor and the part hadn't been in stock and you had to pay an expediting fee to get it in? Well, what Stromquist and Company will do is if we don't have it in stock for you, we'll pay the expediting fee for you so that you can get it the next day. Okay, so that's how the program works in a nutshell. If for more information, contact us at www.stromquist.com. You can also call us at 1-800-241-9471 and either ask for Eric Stromquist or Bill Jones. And we'd like to get you started on this program. Thanks for listening.